The word theatre has come from the Greeks. It tells about a place where people gather to see the truth about life and the social situation. The theatre is a spiritual and social X-ray of its time. It created to tell people the truth about how life and the social situation revolves in our path of journey. This Monday, in my show Hoyto Tomari Jonno, me Sriparna will be waiting for you all to enjoy and to relish the path of this acting form called theatre. So stay tuned. Monday, 8 p.m. Indian Standard Time in my show Hoyto Tomari Jonno.